video?
Cut.
Darryl, what are you on now?
I'm washing my back, and I was calling my fiance to come wash my back so we can get 48,000 hits.
Okay, I'm doing my hair.
Oh, really now? Okay. Go ahead, baby. I don't want to mess yours up. I didn't know you was doing that. Just took my little time. I thought it was my time.
It is your time. I'm recording you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
How can you record me? You ain't showing me.
How can I show you if I'm recording you? Okay, go ahead. What you doing?
No, I'm done.
Come on with the video.
No, I'm camera shy.
Now that's a trip. All that talking you were doing before. Now you're not gonna say anything?
You should have never told me to do that on camera.
I just went and got it.
I'm just got camera shy. I can't handle it.
Come on, Darryl.
It's too much.
What you mean it's too much? You were doing so good.
Everything just left my head. I can't think, like, it's gone. Hey! The water getting cold. You got some water on in there.
Oh.
You froze me. Thank you. Okay, I've washed the conditioner out. Now, I'm rubbing my hair back. Getting ready to throw my...
Your voice has changed.
Getting ready to throw my oil in my...
Why your voice getting so deep?
How do you expect me to talk?
Oh, God. I know I'm going to have to redo this.
Okay, I have conditioned my hair now. I'm done. Take it. There it goes. Okay, now you gotta cut the camera off or get out the shower.